So, welcome back to Friendly Fangs, and today we're going to be doing a few rehouses on our Terrafosa blondies. They're all after being in there for a month, but it's getting a bit small in there for them now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them all into these. We're going to do all these up now. So we'll do a little time lapse there now. Now we have them all ready here, as you can see. These are for all the Terrafosa blondies. We already have one already done that we did the other day. We don't have it in the video, so we've got 5 of them all together. All pretty much things. This one molted out last week. You see them there. So they're all unsexed for now, but we have given them all names. That's Samson, that's Mary, that's Nathaniel,
that's Delilah,
and that's Delilah. So, right.
Right, let's see, can I do this easy?
Yeah. Now,
Good girl.
how easy is that?
Good girl, you are.
Yeah.
I like the other one last night. Yeah. There you go.
There we go.
Delilah done.
Delilah done. Let's take a look at Nathaniel. He's a bit of beauty, isn't he?
Right, let's see how easy this one will be.
Yeah.
Something tells me this ain't going to be as easy.
It's around the other side of him. That's it.
I know. I watch Dave.
Well, keep contact so that you push him up. Here we go.
Good boy.
There
Well
he
done,
goes.
you.
So what we've done was we put a little layer of substrate in the bottom, and we gave that a good soak because these do like their humidity, and then put some dry stuff on top.
They're a bit finicky, these things at times.
Yeah. Now next one.
Scary Mary.
Scary Mary.
She's usually a psycho, isn't she? But she's only melted, so I'm hoping she'll be a bit nicer.
Yeah, she should go in nice and calm. Oh, look at her, she looks lovely. She's probably the biggest out of them. Kind of looks like a bit of a he there, but she's just freshly molted.
Good girl.
Yeah.
How easy was that?
Yeah.
She is gorgeous, isn't she?
She's beautiful. We gotta zoom in on her there for a second. Absolutely gorgeous.
And then we have Samson.
We do.
Got all this out your way. He looks kind of the smallest of the lot, doesn't he?
He does.
Come on, little pal. Go on. There's always one.
It's always the last one as well.
I know. Like, there's a method to this. If you touch them on certain legs, they move certain ways. And he's just going against all the methods. He's just like, no, I'm not doing that today.
You might need to lean the box down a bit for him. Do you know what I mean?
Right, come on, Samson. We'll try this way.
There we go.
Good man. What do you think there, man?
Now, they've all been rehoused into here, and it won't be long before they're rehoused again.
I know.
Because they are fast growers.
They really are.
But we do like doing our rehouses, so
We don't mind.
we don't mind at all.
Now, watch your little feet, buddy.
Yeah, he's in.
I know he is. But just...
Yeah, well done.
Well done.
That's them all done and rehoused now on nice little display shelves for our display cabinet. Yeah, so if you like these videos, you want to keep along with the story of our Pterophoses and all our other species, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next web. Now, our display shelf is looking quite full right now, and you can see we've put all our blondies. Where is he? There he is, in here. And we've got our electric blue starting to burrow down. Should have to put in plenty of substrate into our water dish. You can see her leg there coming out, but she's been digging away there. She's burrowing down. She's going into pre-molt. And in here we have our Pterophosis stermi in there, and we have our earth tiger here, the Bachma, who we haven't seen much of at all. There is a Regalis in there, Ornata in there, Maculata in there, there's Smithy in there. We usually see him at the top of his hole there. We have our Saba Red, he's down there, can't see him. And we have a Ruffalata in there, and our Striata, there it is right there, not eating its food. So yeah, you can see our legs just popping up there. Beautiful spider. I do have a video. She did have a roach last night that she ate, but she definitely looks like she's going into pre-molt. And her Kraken, King Kraken in there. You can see her at the back. And there, the Lingy in there. Oh, look who's come out to say hello. Our skeleton leg. Let's see if I can bypass the shine. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we have Regalis again in there, female. And then we have our juveniles here, our giant blonde, Brazilian red and white, Mexican red rump, golden knee, starburst baboon, female, island, red island board eater, salmon pink there, our Peruvian dwarf star, do you know, with the little love hearts on the back of them. We have our purple bloom, curly hair, there's the golden knee, Colombian short hair in there, OBT, and they're all paired up for part of our breeding program. And then we come over here. I have to stand back a bit because we've plenty going on over here. We have purple zebra in there, who's buried herself in, and pre-molt. We have, right, let's start up here, Terraphosa apophysis in here, looking healthy. We have a Regalis in here. We paired her up, but we're afraid she might be gone into pre-molt. In there we have Trinidad Chevron in here as well. We have an OBT in here we call Bridget. There's our Brazilian red and white in there, and there is Eden. You might have seen the video we did with her pairing up, but she's getting the heat there. And we've got all our slings that we keep in our little nursery, all in here, lovely and warm. And then at the back here, in there, we have our Vietnam blue, who we never see because he's always just buried. Let's see over there. So yeah, delighted now that we have our shelves kind of the way we want it. We've done a bit of rearranging today and rehoused all of these Goliath bird eaters. We've got 5 of them, so we should have a male and a female in there somewhere. They're all unsexed.